Andito tayo para malaman ang totoo. Nais nating lumabas ang katotohanan. After all, there is only one truth, and it can stand for itself, and there is no need to defend it. Mr. Chair, I trust that the truth will be thoroughly and fairly brought out by this committee, fittingly presided by our minority leader, Senator Coco Pimentel. We respect its mandate to investigate the war against illegal drugs in aid of legislation. In fact, I filed a resolution to investigate the war on drugs dahil gusto nating malaman ang totoo. Gusto nating makapagsalita ng malaya at na walang takot ang mga naimbitahan dito, walang public shaming, walang trial by publicity, katotohanan lamang po at hindi politika. The Filipino people must realize the truth at kung ano ang naidulot ng kampanya laban sa illegal na droga at kung nakinabang ba ang mga Pilipino.